Retained earning. Business organizations are subject to variation in earnings. A part of profit is retained by company in the form of reserve fund. These reserves are retained earning of the company. The sum of total retained earning gets accumulated over the years. Retained earning is the amount of net income left over for the business after it has paid out dividend to its shareholder. Often this profit is paid out to shareholders, but it can also be reinvested back into the company for growth purpose. The money not paid to shareholders count as retained earning. This accumulated profit are reinvested in the business rather than distributed as dividends. The process of accumulating corporate profits and their utilization in business is called retained earnings. In simple words, a part of net profit which is not distributed to shareholders as dividend is retained by company in the form of reserve fund. Company converts its reserve into bonus share capital and capitalize its profit. Companies do not distribute 100% of their net profits as dividend to its shareholders. They retain a chunk of net profits. These are called retained earnings. The policy of using such retained profit in the business is known as plowing back of profit. By using bonus shares to the existing equity shareholders, the company can convert the retained profit into permanent capital. Determinants of retained earnings. Point 1. Total earnings of company. If there is ample profit, company can save and retain some parts of profit. More the earnings, a company can save more. Attitude of top management also determines the amount of retained earnings. Total earnings of company. If there is surplus profit, company can retain some part of profit. It is decided by the top management to determine the part of retained earnings. Point 2. Taxation policy. The taxation policy of government is also an important determinant of corporate savings. If the taxes levied are at high rates, company cannot save much of the profits in the form of reserves. Taxation policy. The taxation policy of government plays an important role for the retained earnings. If government charge tax at higher rate, company cannot save the profit. Point 3. Dividend policy. It is a policy of board of directors in regards to distribution of profits. A conservative dividend policy is needed for having good accumulation of profits. But this policy affects shareholders as they get dividend at a lower rate. Dividend policy. The board of directors has to decide which dividend policy to be considered in regards to distribution of profit. A conservative dividend policy serves the purpose of good accumulation of profit, but at the same time, the shareholders get low rate of dividend. Point 4. Government control. A government control is regulatory body of economic system of the country. Its policies, rules and regulations ensure that the companies work as per its regulations. Company has to formulate its dividend policy in accordance with the rules and regulations framed by the government.
Government control. There are rules and regulations which are directly or indirectly impact dividend policy of the company. Since retained profit depend on dividend policy of government also affect retained profit in the business.